Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss minimum cost spanning tree. Minimum cost spanning tree is a topic in greedy method. Greedy method or greedy method technology. One of the method in DAO subject. Design and analysis of algorithm. We have fourth unit greedy method or greedy technology. In that minimum cost spanning tree is one topic. One of the important topic. The question may be asked like this: what is spanning tree? Explain with examples. What is spanning tree? Explain with examples. First we should know what is spanning tree. Here minimal connected subgraph is called spanning tree. Minimal connected subgraph. In my last video I told about directed graph. Right? Here minimal connected subgraph is called spanning tree. What is subgraph? We'll come to know. Here one more thing, note point is spanning tree does not contain cycles. Spanning tree does not contain any cycles, any repetitions, loops. It does not have any loops. Right, that one definition. Let G is equal to V comma A. G stands for graph. V is vertices, vertex or nodes. E is edges. B undirected graph. Undirected graph. For example, in my last video I told you, for example 1, 2, 3, 4. This is graph. This is directed graph. Directions are given. 1 to 2 is direction is given. 2 to 3 here and here, here. This is called directed graph. Right, but whereas here in our definition, let G is called V comma A, V are vertices, E are edges, is undirected graph. A subgraph T is equal to V comma A dash. A subgraph T is equal to V comma A dash of G. Graph G is a spanning tree of G if and only if. This stands for if and only if that small t is a tree. This small tree is a tree. For example, take undirected graph. Already told you this is undirected graph. This is directed graph. Graph and three of its spanning trees. Spanning tree, our definition, spanning tree. Nothing but small tree in a graph. Without directions, without loops and without repetitions. Right? See, for example, this is undirected graph. No directions are given, but this has loops, repetitions, loops. This is spanning tree 1. This doesn't have any loop. Right? Here this line is removed, this line and this line are removed. One more spanning tree. You can draw like this. This you can draw like this also. Spanning tree. You can draw this like this also. Like that you can draw one other two types also. For example, this we can draw something like this. This is there? No. And this also. Undirected spanning tree. Spanning tree have many applications, many uses in real world entity. Right? Those are, you can draw circuit, example circuits, electronic networks. There you can use the spanning tree applications, uses in the real world. Here a graph, this minimum cost spanning tree we are drawing. A graph, its minimum cost spanning tree. I told what is spanning tree. Right? A minimally connected subgraph is called spanning tree. A graph means it has repetitions like this. In spanning tree you don't have cycles and repetitions. You don't have repetitions, loops. No repetitions, no loops like this. No repetitions. Here spanning tree 1, spanning tree 2, spanning tree 3. These are examples of this definition. Here we are going to draw minimum cost spanning tree. Minimum cost. For example, take 1 is a node or vertex, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Imagine these are distance 10 meters or kilometers, any units. You take any distance. For example, we are going to do minimum, minimal or minimum. For example, we are at one place, one node or one vertex. From 1 to you can come to 6 or you can go to 2 because this is a undirected graph. But here this 10 is small than this 28. So remove this 1 to 6. 6 to there is no other way, 5. We need to go to 5 only. Then 5 to again we have two directions. One is 22 units distance and one is 24. So 24 is big. Remove this big because we are drawing minimum cost spanning tree. We are drawing spanning tree that to minimum cost. So we will go to 4. From 4 we have two directions. Again 18 is big. Remove this 18. This 18 line, that edge should be removed from the graph. So it become minimum cost spanning tree. Right? Again from 4 you can go to 3 as 12 is a small one. And 3 there is no other direction. 2. From 2 to 7. So this is the answer for this. 1 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 7. There is no cycles, no repetitions. So this is called minimum cost spanning tree. Okay. So once again I am repeating, what is spanning tree? Explain with examples. Spanning tree means minimally connected subgraph. This is a big graph and this is subgraph with no cycles. No cycles is called a spanning tree. So very simple. This is one of the important question. All the best for your exams. Thank you.